burger. First, we are going to show how to bake biggest burger in the world in detail. Let's get started.
Loving, caring. This is my family.
In the baking process, first we will begin with starch gelatinization process. First we will add all-purpose flour. Add some water. Make this process under slow flame. Keep aside in cool place. Let's jump into the process of making dough. Now we will add 10 kg all-purpose flour. Adding some salt. Adding some sugar. Adding milk powder. This milk powder helps to become a burger tenderize and nice brown color. It gives nice taste also. Now I am mixing all these things. Next we will activate the yeast for the fermentation process. Let's add lukewarm water. Add some sugar to feed the yeast. Now we will add dried yeast. Mix it well and give 10 minutes to activate it. Now we will add activated yeast. Now we will add gelatinized starch. Thoroughly knead the mixture to get a soft dough. Now we will add butter, so we will get a tenderized dough. Now we will cover with lid and wrap with cover. Keep aside for 1 hour, so dough will become very soft and double in size. Now we will prepare oven to bake burger. Lid is popping out with air pressure. Let's remove the air. Dough is doubled in size. So once again we will knead this dough before we are going to bake. Now we will keep few butter papers to the bottom. Hey, tippe. Let's do milk bath on the top of this dough. Now we will sprinkle sesame seeds on top of this dough. It's time to bake. Okay.
ఇప్పుడే స్ప్రెడ్ చేసింది 5 నిమిషాలు ఆగు.
Now it's turning into the brown color. Let's cut veggies.
బటర్ పేపర్ తీసేసి
We have a huge bread now, so we are using a thin thread to cut this bread. Let's apply mayonnaise. Tomatoes. Capsicum. Bell peppers. Onions. Cucumber. Egg omelets. Cheese. Mayonnaise. tomato ketchup. Finally, lettuce leaves. World's biggest burger ready. Finally, burger came out very smooth and fluffy. I can't wait to taste it. World's biggest burger. Super!